Hi everyone! Today I'm drawing a beautiful, glittery snowflake. It's going to be fun and easy, so let's get started. Glitty Art English! First, I draw the top part of the snowflake. Now, I repeat this same design around in a circular way to complete all 6 arms of the snowflake. Every snowflake has 6 sides, and no 2 snowflakes are exactly alike. They form unique patterns based on temperature and humidity. Now the fun part begins. Coloring? I start by coloring the top section with glittery red. Next, I color the second arm using a shiny purple glitter. Snowflakes aren't actually white. They're made of clear ice crystals, but they appear white because of the way light reflects off them. Now I add glittery blue to the third section. Then I move to the bottom arm and color it bright glittery green. After that, I fill the 5th section with glowing glittery yellow. Finally, I finish the last part with sparkling orange glitter. And there it is! A colorful, shiny snowflake full of winter magic! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fun drawing videos. See you in the next one! Bye for now!